Hi. A little late in getting this videos out, but last week I was at a textbook conference. Got a lot of ideas on not only new textbooks, but also for maybe delivering online classes. So as that information sinks into my head and stuff, well, you may see some of them materialize. But here's the introduction for what we got, week 12. Week 12, we're going to cover Chapter 8. Now, Chapter 8, we're going to split in two parts. It's in software development. So we'll look at this week, we'll look at the waterfall, system development. And then after the break, we'll look at agile system development. So next week, after the break, it'll be a little shorter week, which is probably a good thing since you'll be on break. You won't be kind of in the right, it'll take you a while to get back up from the break. So this week, all I got is the reflection journal. There is no test this week. There'll also just be I've got one critical thinking assignment on user acceptance testing. So just answer the review questions and the critical thinking questions on page 380, and you should be fine. So I'll get to posting the lecture in a few minutes, and hope you have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.